Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious and adventurous boy named Sam. He was always fascinated by the world around him and loved to explore and discover new things. Sam had a deep passion for science and technology, and he spent most of his free time tinkering with gadgets and experimenting with different ideas. One day, while exploring a junkyard on the outskirts of the village, Sam came across an old, broken radio. He was immediately fascinated by the intricate design and mechanics of the radio and decided to take it home and try to fix it. Sam spent hours poring over the radio, trying to figure out how it worked and how to fix it. He studied the circuit board and the wiring, trying to understand how all the different components worked together to produce sound. He experimented with different tools and techniques, trying to find the best way to repair the broken parts. Months passed, and Sam continued to work on the radio. He faced many challenges along the way, including broken parts and faulty wiring. But he never gave up. Every time he encountered a problem, he would research and experiment until he found a solution. Finally, after many long months of hard work, Sam succeeded in fixing the radio. He was overjoyed with the accomplishment and decided to take it to a local science fair to showcase his work. At the fair, Sam's radio caught the attention of a group of scientists and engineers. They were impressed by Sam's ingenuity and passion for science, and they recognized his potential. They offered him an opportunity to work with them and learn more about science and technology. Sam was thrilled at the opportunity and eagerly accepted the offer. He worked hard to learn as much as he could from the scientists and engineers, soaking up their knowledge like a sponge. He learned about circuit design, programming, and robotics, and he experimented with new ideas and inventions. As Sam continued to learn and grow, he began to realize that he wanted to do more than just learn about science and technology. He wanted to make a difference in the world, to use his knowledge and skills to help others and solve real-world problems. With this goal in mind, Sam began to focus on inventing new technologies that could benefit society. He developed a new type of solar panel that was more efficient and cost-effective than existing models, making it possible for more people to access clean energy. He also created a device that could detect and remove pollutants from water, making it safer for people to drink and use. Sam's inventions were a huge success, and they brought him a lot of attention and acclaim. He became a successful inventor and entrepreneur, starting his own company to develop and market his inventions. He traveled the world, speaking at conferences and sharing his ideas with others, inspiring a new generation of young scientists and inventors. As Sam looked back on his journey, he realized that it was his passion and determination that had led him to success. He had never given up on his dream, even when it seemed impossible. He had worked tirelessly to learn and grow, and he had never been afraid to take risks and try new things. Sam's story is a powerful reminder that with hard work, determination, and a willingness to learn and take risks, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Whether it's fixing a broken radio or inventing a new technology, we all have the potential to make a difference in the world and leave our mark